Hello, hello, hello. This is Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I just ran in here real quick to CVS to do a really quick deal for you guys. It's a quick, simple deal that everyone could do. You don't need any coupons. You don't need any CRTs or anything. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys exactly what the deal is. Okay guys, so this is the deal. There's a special going on: buy 3 select Crest toothpaste, rinse, Oral B manual toothbrush or rinse, and get a $5 extra buck. Now, you can do this deal 2 times per card, but the easiest and cheapest way to do this deal is to grab the $1.99 Oral B Healthy Clean toothbrushes. Now, mine, we only have 5, so I can only do the deal 1 time. They're $1.99. So if you grab 3 of them, that would be $6. You're going to get $5 in extra bucks back, so that'd be $1 for 3 of these toothbrushes. Excellent, excellent deal, guys. So make sure you go out and do it. There's other ones that are included, but those are the cheapest, and that's the less out of pocket. So they even have like the children's toothbrushes that are $3.59 and other ones, but I'm going the cheapy route. I'm getting the $1.99 ones. I want to pay $1 for 3 toothbrushes. I will show you guys my receipt as soon as I'm finished. All right guys, so here's my receipt. You see the toothbrushes were $1.99. I got 3 of them, and I used $6 in extra bucks. I used a $5 and a $1, and the $1 reduced down to 97 cents because the total was only $5.97. So that's what I paid out of pocket, and I got back a $5 extra bucks. So that means that I only paid 97 cents out of pocket for 3 toothbrushes. And you can see you can do the deal twice. So I can do the deal 1 more time. So run to CVS, get your toothbrushes. And until the next time, keep on saving.